Are you struggling with a mess of separate PDF files and need to combine them into one professional document for your boss or a client? Stop wasting time downloading clunky, heavy software. In this video, I'll show you how to merge your PDFs for free in less than 30 seconds using Smallpdf. Let's dive in. The tool we're using today is Smallpdf. It's a powerful web-based platform. No installation or account registration required, and it keeps your file quality crystal clear. First, from the homepage, click on Merge PDF. The interface is super intuitive, so anyone can do this. Now, simply drag and drop your files into the toolbox. You can also upload directly from your device, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Here's the best part. You can easily rearrange the file order by dragging them around. If you switch to page mode, you can even delete specific pages you don't need before merging. And we're done. Just click Download to save your new file. As you can see, the pages are perfectly combined and the formatting remains sharp and professional. Smallpdf has tons of other useful tools, like PDF compression or converting to Word. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more quick tech tips.